How to unfollow people on Instagram who don't follow you back. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how to do it, you can follow the simple steps. So for that, you can go ahead and open up your Instagram, and once you do it, you can head over to the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be finding a profile page here. So if you have followed someone, you can tap on this following section to look for the people that you followed. Go ahead and tap on it. And when you go ahead and tap on it, here you will be finding your following. So if you're wondering if that people have followed you or not, when you head over to one of the profile from your following, for example this one right here, when you head over to the following tab of their profile as well, tap on it, you should be finding a profile in the very first in the following section. So let's head over to someone maybe who has not followed you. So let's, for example, this person. So when you head over to a person's and tap on the profile, you won't be finding your name in the first in the following section. So that means that person has not followed you. So in order to unfollow that person, you can head over their profile and tap on this following drop down, tap on it. After that, tap on the unfollow and from the given menu. And when you do that, you will be removing that person from your following who are not your followers. So that's it for now. You can follow the steps in order to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.